Check, please. Hello, mic check. Is it a wicket? Yes, it is. They strike early. The first wicket goes down. Himraj on the non-strikers end. He will be watching the wicket fall. So the first wicket goes down for the Sukafa. Mind you, big के लिए कैलाश दोले ने अपने पिछले मैच में तीसरा ओवर चलता हुआ कौन को है slower delivery in the air and will land safely. Himraj joining the party. आप खराब गेंद डालोगे और ये बार बार करेंगे. आपने समय दिया, एकदम से आंखें चमकी कैलाश दोले के. इसी के साथ 20 रन पर पहुंचे कैलाश दोले फ्रॉम बॉल नंबर 1. That has pierced the gap and that will race away to the boundary. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, प्रेडिक्टेबल नहीं हो सकते. उनको वो रेडी थे, तैयार बैठे थे वहां पर कैलाश. उन्हें पता था स्लोअर डिलीवरी आने वाली है, शॉर्ट पिच आने वाली है और तैयार थे वहां पर. एकदम बैठ कर लगाया शॉट सीधा मिड विकेट दिशा में 6 रनों के लिए. खराब गेंद और वाह, बेहतरीन कैच. टेक्निक सही नहीं, लेकिन उससे क्या मतलब जब तक आप कैच ले सकते हैं. और इसी के साथ हिरक के विकेट का पतन. 49 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर सुकाफा. It is in the air. Will it be taken? There is no fielder and it will be in the gap and will race away to the boundary. And with that, the 50 up for the Sukafa. 54 for 2. इस बार कंट्रोल में है, इस बार फुल कंट्रोल में है. सीमा रेखा के बाहर नहीं, स्टेडियम के बाहर भेजा गेंद और इसी के साथ 60 रन पर पहुंची सुकाफा की टीम. This time it's in the air. Will it be taken? It's a skyer and no, he has dropped it. They call for 2 and they will complete it easily. They call for a 3. Chance of run out of the non-strikers and out, says the umpire. So 2 runs will be counted. 63 is the target for the Zeal creation. The Dave's play, Zeal creation, chasing the target of 63, coming down the track, and he has hammered that one. A comprehensive shot from the bat of Diganta. It has changed. They are completely charged up today, and that has been played in the gap. That will raise away to the boundary as well. চুকা ফাইনেলৰ মাজত লক্ষ্য ইতিমধ্যে দাঙি ধৰিছে চুকা ফাইনেলে He has smashed that one. He has smashed that one through the covers. Fantastic shot. Fantastic shot from Nabajyoti Gohain. Naba is joining the party. Fifth over of the match. Shot that is huge. One of the biggest six of the day from the bat of Diganta Deka. 11 to win of 11 now. Turn and played it with the turn that is in the air, but there will be no one to stop that. Just 5 more to win, 1 hit away from victory, the Zeal creation of the over, 3 to win. Down the ground, over the bowler, and that will be enough to seal the match. And the Zeal creation cement their position in the semi-final of this tournament.
Victories in a row, come on. Make some loud noise, come on.
And congratulations to Apuna for behind the hour. We need to do a loud cheer up and the cameras are ready. Pushing it to Apuna. Detail bar. Sir must be the happiest one right now. Motor was a dowry of a month to dowry of the morning. If I hate to get left on my camera, are you guys ready? Zeal Creations, are you all ready? Cameras ready? Okay. So on the count of 3, 2, 1, coming up to Zeal Creations. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Abhi khatam nahi hua hai. We also have to name the player of the match. So, the captain himself played wonderfully. Tera kenaka lagi kheli aji botor to up and down hoye ase. Lekin bhale lagise neki? Botor to pai korise. Amar style to dekhise. Botor bhalo hoye. Ami aji